Hello guys, Igor here doing one more AppSumo review. Today analyzing Listen2it, a tool that claims to increase your exposure and grow your audience with instant text-to-speech audio files. It's a tool that transforms your text to audio, helping you to spread that text and helping you also with SEO because you can share it with your notes. They have an WordPress integration, and let's check it out how the deal works. You get all the full plan updates, and you can upgrade or downgrade between 4 license tiers. They have customizable mobile-ready audio players, built-in audio hosting, more than 600 voice, and WordPress plugins to integrate with your website or blog, and drive traffic with audio SEO. The difference between the tiers are the number of articles per month. If you buy tier 1, you get 30 articles of audio generation per month. So the tool will transform your text to audio. And if you buy tier 4, you go up to 500 articles of audio generation per month. The only difference is the number of audios per month. So let's take a look how the tool works. Just start on that screen to name your project and choose your audio language. Let's choose here English. You can see the language here. They have a lot. Portuguese, Slovak, Swedish. They have the Indian language, Thai language, Hindi, Spanish, French, German, with different kind of accents. Let's select here English, Canada, and Clara.
If you set your goals ridiculously high and it's a failure, you will fail above everyone else's success.
The voice is cool. You can choose here also the advanced sections and change the speed and the volume. And you can change the pitch. If low, slow, medium, high. Let's do it low and try it again.
If you set your goals ridiculously high and it's a
So you can change the speed here, go to default, create project. So how you will create an audio. You can use their text editor, import from an URL, upload your audio, and you can publish it on WordPress, other blogs, or using API. And you can also start a new podcast show. Let me show you import from an URL. Now I'm gonna try using another language. So I have here a link, and I'm gonna try to convert. You can see it took the body from my article, and clicking here, I'm going to convert to create another audio. Convert has been successful. And as you can see here, you don't need to select the language and the voice every time you create a new audio. You can just create a new project to, to work with another language. But my free plan only lets me create one project. But you can create more projects to work with other language. And then, for instance, you can have a French project, a German project, an English project, a Spanish project, etc. And it works like that. You just select the project with the language features, and you import the audios, typing the text or inserting an URL. Or you can even upload an audio to your podcast. Here is how you create a podcast show. You click here on podcast, click show, title, description, email. You can choose the category, subcategory, and the language is already English. You can import your podcast image, clicking here. And you can choose to publish your podcast automatically or not, clicking here. you can publish it directly. And it's done. You have a podcast with all those audios. I think in that way is easier to organize everything because you just need to change your your audios between projects. You have an analytics feature, an overview, and per content to check out how how many times your podcast was played. On your project setting, you can change the name, but you can change the language. You need to create another project for that. Here you can see the audio player. They have an inline where you can. I pretty like it, that one. I think it's like minimalist. Like it that. Like it that. You can remove listen to it branding. You can change between inline, static, or floating on your website. The inline is pretty nice. It's pretty minimalist. I like it that. And you can change the player title. So you can customize everything to fit with your branding. And about the integration, you can download their WordPress plugin. You can use with other content platform as well, just following their instructions. So you can publish on Blogger, Webflow, Weebly, Squarespace, Wix, and you can also use their API if you have a knowledge to do so. But the difference here is which kind of the, uh, the quality of the audio, if they are good or not. Everything about this tool is about the quality of the audio. Let's test again with another English content. I'm gonna take something from the New York Times. Let's see if they can read it perfectly. Click here to publish, and the tool will start to process your audio. You can see here that it's in progress. Here I have my audio, and you have the play button here. It will appear here on down right. You can download your audio or you can embed your audio. So it's published. We can test it clicking on play.
The quality of the audio. Russia's defense ministry said on Tuesday that some troops deployed from military districts bordering Ukraine were being loaded onto.
Yeah, it has a good quality. The limits are good, the quality is good. So if you need a tool like that, it can be an option for you. Listen to it. I hope you like that review. Please click on the link below to help me to keep going. Bye bye.